Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step DIY tutorial for how I made my dog's Stranger Things Demogorgon Halloween costume. If you'd like to see what she looks like in it, make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. I personally think she looks very menacing, so you might want to prepare yourself just in case. If you guys didn't know, I do create a lot of cosplay content over on my Instagram and TikTok. I will be bringing more of that to YouTube in the next little bit, but if you wanted to check out some of the stuff that I've done previously or see some, shorter form or photo type of content, definitely check out the description below for my Instagram and TikTok links and toss me a follow over there. It'd be lovely to have you as a part of our community in all the places. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. To start, we're going to need some 5mm EVA foam. I actually created these patterns for a collar piece and 5 lip/petal pieces, and I made some teeth out of foam clay. Now we're taking some wire and actually going to be framing each individual lip/petal piece with it on the outer edge. I heat up the actual EVA foam to give it more of an organic shape so it's not super flat. The Demogorgon lips do have more of an organic, curled in shape, so I tried to replicate that here. Now I'm going to take a hot glue gun and actually glue down that wire to the outer edge of each petal/lip shape. I don't know what to call it. It feels wrong to call it a lip, but it's a mouth, so I think it is a lip. But anyway, you can actually bend the wire now to make the lip as bent or flat as you want it to be. And so I really like that customization feature there. Now I'm actually just using the same pattern that I used to cut out the lips, and I'm tracing it onto a red felt fabric material thing, and I do that one for each lip, so 5 times, and then I'm going to cut those actually out just using a regular pair of scissors. I wanted to use felt because I thought that it would add a little more depth and dimension, so it wouldn't just look like foam or plastic. But now I'm just taking that hot glue gun once more, and I'm going to glue down the felt to each lip/petal piece as flat as I can and as fully as I can. That way it's super secure and won't fly away or flop over or anything like that. And the one thing with these is sometimes the pattern won't fit exactly to the foam, so I just took a pair of scissors and actually cut around the edges to make sure everything was flush and we didn't have any pieces that were sticking over the edge or anything like that. And that's what it looks like as a finished product. Ta-da! And you want to do that again to each of the 5 lips. So yeah, those are all the ones that I did. I thought they looked pretty good. And now taking a little bit of foam clay, I'm actually just going to be adding that to the outer edge of each of the lips to add a frame. If you look at the Demogorgon design, it's got a rounded edge almost all the way around. And so I wanted to, create something super organic, nothing perfected. It definitely looks really rough and natural, kind of gross, clumpy skin. And I did put the EVA foam on the back of each of the petals as well, trying to replicate that same organic, yucky skin look. Oh, that's so weird. Anyway, this is what some of them look like after I was finished with them, and I did do it on all 5. Here I'm just adding a little bit of Velcro to the collar piece. And the collar piece is 1 inch thick and as long as your dog's neck is going to be. You want to make sure you can fit 2 fingers safely in there when it's on so they can breathe. But yeah, I'm just attaching the Velcro pieces so it'll actually close and can hold up the weight of the lips here. So as you can see, this is what it would look like when it's done. And now I'm just actually taking that collar and closing it so we've got the proper shape and gluing down each individual petal to the actual collar. Reinforcing some of that on the back side with some extra hot glue. Oh, and the reason why I'm using hot glue is because it's non-toxic and I don't want my dog to be inhaling any gross fumes. Also non-toxic, Mod Podge. So I did seal all of the foam and felt with a layer of Mod Podge. If you're looking to actually speed up the dry time for the Mod Podge, you can use a hair dryer as long as you keep it at a safe distance away. Otherwise, you'll probably start a fire. So definitely don't go too close, but you can speed up the dry time here using that hair dryer if you'd like. I now started painting using some white, gray, and red acrylic paint. Adding various layers of all the colors, trying to replicate that yucky, undead kind of looking skin on the front and the back. I did seal all the paint with another layer of Mod Podge after I finished as well, just to make sure nothing chips or cracks or breaks away. Normally when I build cosplay, I use like an aerosol primer and contact cement and some toxic-ish paints, I would say. I don't care so much about myself, but my dog, I want to keep her safe. So I didn't use anything heavy duty here. Now that might decrease the longevity of the costume, but better safe for your pup than sorry. Now I am actually just taking all those foam clay teeth that I made earlier and gluing them on using some hot glue. And I just tried to make them look kind of symmetrical to the best of my ability here. You don't have to do that if you want to make them look a little bit more bunched together or have longer teeth or shorter teeth. You can definitely do whatever you want here. I just wanted to make sure Bailey wasn't getting poked by the teeth, so I tried to make the inner ones shorter, and then as I got further back, I tried to make them a little bit longer and again, more organic and teeth looking. So just taking my time here and gluing all of those on. Sometimes you'll have to reinforce the glue as well. Again, not the strongest adhesive to be using, but the safest for your pup. Definitely the safest. Are you ready for the big reveal? I don't know if you're ready. I present to you Bailey the Demogorgon. Thank you all so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video, yeah, down there, and subscribe to the channel. Again, if you want to see more cosplay content from me, whether that's photo form or short-term video form, please ensure that you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You will not be disappointed, I promise. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you'll check out some other videos on my channel and my stream. I do stream live on Twitch Monday through Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern time if you'd like to hang out and chat with me about cosplay, anime, video games, music, whatever you like. But I thank you all for being here, and I will see you in my next video and hopefully my next stream. Bye!